So I'm sure you guys have seen the news between Iran and the US and how the ceasefire is going. And they are negotiating. They're both trying to claim victory. And we don't know what to think. It's a 2-week ceasefire, so don't necessarily get your hopes up. I think that we need to be very conservative as investors. I don't think it's necessarily over. The good thing is the Strait of Hormuz is open. So the ships are passing by. So the supply chain isn't broken. Oil has completely crashed. It went down from the high level. I think it was at $115 a barrel. And now it is trading at under 90 or 95 or something, which I think once the news hit, it was down 15 or 16%. This is good because fuel leads to inflation and everything, right? Your food is transported through trucks and boats. Your trips, any travel would cost more money. Companies will be less profitable because of the fuel surcharge. So I think it's a very good thing that this happened, and I'm hoping that we could get a more long-term sustainable deal. I think Iran has been a threat for a long time, and I believe that this could be a change. Maybe the world starts doing business with Iran. So I think we need to look at it strategically, and we need to understand what is going on, and we need to position ourselves properly. I mean, if you're invested in the S&P 500, continue with what you're doing. Continue dollar cost averaging, continue growing your money, and kind of go from there. But if you're trying to pick some stocks, you got to understand what's going to happen in the future. And you have to predict, and you have to have some insight on that, because that ultimately will lead to your investments either doing good or doing bad.